So obviously we want to help you with your tech dilemmas today, and I feel like your YouTube channel now takes up quite a lot of your time, doesn't it?
It does. It's hard work, but I do enjoy it.
Do you feel like a football widow?
Yes, it's very tiring, and it's like sometimes I feel like messaging in and be like, "Oh, you're going to finish now?" Because they get messaged.
So for Iona's sake, as much as Callum's, we've got some smart blind and curtain solutions to speed up those lengthy streaming sessions. Callum has brought his kit along to test them out. Sorry, Iona.
Hiya!
Don't you get enough of being on telly?
No, I love it. I love it. Right, guys, let me wheel you over this way because we've got 3 different setups to address your conservatory concerns. The first of our tech solutions is the Blinds by Post Rollerblind. As the name suggests, they come, well, in the post. They're made to measure, so you input your size, colour and material requirements, and hey presto, they'll end up at your door. But they also hide a clever secret. They're motorised.
I like it. It's really easy to just press a button. It is quite quiet as well. It's not anything that would be annoying.
Also, what's great about this is that if the light changes maybe when you're filming or if it suddenly goes really dark and rainy, who could imagine such a thing? You could open the blinds to let a bit more light in, and you could do that just with a touch of a button.
These blinds can also be controlled by your phone using an accompanying app. To do this, you'll need to purchase an additional bit of hardware called the SOMFY connectivity kit, which also lets you connect to Amazon Alexa or Google Home so you can control your blinds with your voice.
Does it plug into the mains?
So there's a rechargeable battery on board which lasts between 3 and 6 months.
Amazing.
While smaller blinds start from £90, this bigger one costs £247, including the remote and charger.
It is expensive, but, you know, it's going to make the conservatory a nicer place to be and more efficient, and hopefully you'll get some more time in there as well because he won't be spending hours pre-game and after game fiddling with 22 blinds.
Yes.
Our next offering would allow Callum and Iona to keep their existing blinds. The SOMA Smart Shades 2 cost £129 and connect to any blinds with a beaded chain or cord. You stick the motor to your wall and feed the blind cord through it. A cog inside the motor pulls your chain through in either direction to open or close your blinds. And it can all be controlled wirelessly from your smartphone.
You can be very precise about how far it goes down. So if you drag down that blind there,
Okay.
it should only go to where you take it to.
Oh.
There you go. You can also schedule in when your blinds go down. You can head into the settings and literally set a timer for when it goes down. Do you think you'd put that to good use?
Definitely. Definitely. If I know what time a game's going to be on our set for 5 minutes before the game and...
It'll all be waiting for you.
Waiting for
your
me.
conservatory football lair.
I like how you say, if I know the time of a football game, that's in your blood. You know what the times are.
In addition to the device, you also get a solar panel, which can be used for charging if there's no wall socket near your window. And the SOMA Smart Shades 2 comes with light-sensing AI that can automatically lower or raise window shades according to light conditions.
We wouldn't have to change absolutely everything about the blinds in one go.
And I really like the solar charging feature.
Yeah, you do.
Option 3 would be to replace those smaller window blinds with large curtains or drapes that could be automated using the SWITCHBOT Curtain Rod 2, costing £85 per unit. Admittedly, they'd still need to keep their ceiling blinds, but this is the most cost-effective of our solutions. So if you take the remote control there, which, as you can see, is nice, small and dainty, simple, open and closed.
Nice. You know what? It's got a really lovely, smooth motion.
Yeah, it has. If you want more control over how the curtains operate, then there is an app, which you have there, Callum. There's a light sensor on board, so they can automate themselves at dawn or dusk. You can schedule what time they open and close. The SWITCHBOT is powerful enough to move curtains up to 8 kilograms in weight, and our setup here has 2 units in place, one for each curtain.
What is the charge like on this one?
With a 10-hour charge, you will get 8 months
Wow.
of battery life,
Wow.
which I think is really impressive.
Yes.
So can this be operated remotely? For example, if I'm in a different location, can I still control?
You can with the first ones, but the other 2 you have to be in the room for. So that's 3 solutions for Callum and Iona's conservatory conundrum. But which option do they think is best? It's over to Callum to stream the result.
So we've just gone through 3 different designs and we have come to a conclusion, me and my wife. Amazing. So we have decided to go for option number 2. So with this one, you get the solar panel, which is really good because it gets natural light from the conservatory windows. The noise is a little bit loud, but it's something I can live with. Really, really enjoy it. So, yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you next time, guys.
Yes, Callum! You are a natural, my friend. Love that.